So they said when you want to take a break from all the people and going around by yourself, just go up, because this is a Christian country and therefore all the suggestions are suggesting going up and looking at the sky to find answers. And so here we climbed on the top of the hill in Sanremo. The neighborhood is called La Pigna because I wanted to show you how versatile this camera is. Right now you think I'm having someone helping me with the recordings. I hope the water is not getting into the audio, but this is the auto framing stuff I'm having with my camera, so it's doing everything by itself. I put an ND filter in front of it because, as you can see, despite the end of the summer, the sun is still so very bright, and we climbed up here. So we're now recording at the top with a view above the sea. So let's enjoy this 28mm f2 together. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from Sanremo, Italia, and today I hope the water doesn't come into the audio, otherwise I will have to clean it in post, but it's not always the best choice. So I'm enjoying the view here from the top of the hill in Sanremo, Italia, and it's a shiny, bright day. Despite it's September already, the summer is going towards the end, and I hope I'm still in the frame because I'm walking around taking advantage of this auto framing setting that I have on my camera. I forgot the tripod, so I will show you where I put it. I placed it on the log and it looks like a bit stable, and then I will color grade afterwards. But I wanted to talk to you about this 28mm f2, which is a super versatile lens. It's oh so small, and I picked it up because, well, the camera is not new, it was new to me, and so the previous owner sent it over with this lens, knowing that 28mm for me it's quite familiar because I spent years using the Leica Q2, and so it made me this favor. It included this 28mm f2, which is small and lightweight. Now, if you know my personal story, I broke like 8 vertebrae, and so I'm not able to go around anymore with plenty lot of weight as I was used to when I was using my Nikon D750. Therefore I had to become minimalistic, and so downsizing all the gear, despite I'm a bit spoiled, so I still want to have full frame and good glasses because I want to know what I'm doing and to manage the camera to the fullest. And therefore this 28mm f2, it's small, it's an old project, it's not a newly developed G master glass, but it does its work, and I'm about to pair it with something else because despite it is a one lens only stuff, I can only use one lens only at a time, but I kind of find it limiting when I have to work with portraits. And so when I have to shoot people 28mm, you will have some distortions and other problems within the face, and so I'm about to get a different lens. Stay tuned because I will let you know what that is. Now, if I am able to take the camera and move it, I will show you what was the noise that you're probably hearing inside the audio. It's this water coming down, and I want to share with you the view as well. It's a beautiful day here, and as you saw before, I had to climb all my way up to this hill. It was not a very long walk, I have to say. I climbed many more challenging mountains, and then up there we are going to visit another church which is on the very top of this hill. So stay tuned guys, because we are still using this 28mm f2. Now I'm kinda trying to do some vlogging. There you go, it acquired focus again, or maybe not. Yes, now it's very sharp. So guys, stay tuned, I will show you the surroundings, I will share some more B-roll and footage and some pictures. And now from here it's backlit, so I will try to move it and let's see if the auto white balancing makes a difference. Yes, we are witnessing the city of Sanremo from the top of the hill in a sunny yet cloudy day. And it's alright, now that I switched off the steady shot, as you can see 28mm is wide enough for vlogging. So if you're wondering what lens do you need, if you need a 24mm, I know some vloggers go even wider, 18mm. Of course, these are wide choices if you can afford having several primes or a zoom lens, but to me it's always the one lens only, which I use to do everything. So it's a 28mm. Right now I'm about to pair it, stay tuned, with a 55mm Zeiss f1.8, which is another compact prime, because I don't want to break the rule. Once you go minimalistic and you go downsizing, then it's very fast to gear up again and then having to bring a trolley with you. So I want to stick to my own imposed rules and keep being compact and lightweight, so then I can travel and keep recording and witnessing everything that I see down there. So yeah, we made it to the very top. As you can see, it's blurred and overexposed out there. It's alright. So with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the reviews to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you and keep enjoying the end of your summer.